Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to add projects to portfolios on Asana, your complete guide for 2025. First things first, log into your Asana account. Now that we've done that, navigate to the sidebar on the left-hand side and click on Portfolios. The reason we do this is that this is where you can view, create, and manage all your portfolios. Next up, click on the plus New Portfolio button at the top right corner. This helps us because it's the starting point for us to create a new portfolio or add projects to existing ones. Once you've clicked on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is offering you a choice of either creating a new portfolio or adding a project to an existing one. For our tutorial, we'll choose Add Projects. After selecting Add Projects, a pop-up window will appear with a list of all your projects. At this stage, simply click on the projects you wish to add to your portfolio. Let me explain why this matters. Adding projects to your portfolio allows you to group and organize your work in a way that's most convenient for you and your team. And finally, hit the Add to Portfolio button. The projects you chose will now be added to your portfolio. And just like that, you've learned how to add projects to your portfolios in Asana. Remember, organization is key to managing your workflow efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.